In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a coaching program on Kajabi. The journey is straightforward, but following each step carefully will ensure you have a polished and professional program ready to offer to your clients. Let's dive in, shall we? First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to kajabi.com. Just a small note here, having your login details on hand will save you time, as we'll be accessing your account shortly. Now, once you arrive at the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you can sign in using your email or a Google account associated with your Kajabi account. If you're like many who streamline their digital identities for simplicity, using a Google account can be a really convenient choice. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Kajabi dashboard. This is your command center for all things related to your coaching programs. From the dashboard, locate the Products section. Clicking on Products will reveal a range of options for what you can create. For today, our focus will be on coaching. Select it, and you'll see a prompt to Get Started. This is where you initiate setting up your own coaching program. It's exciting, isn't it? As you embark on this creation journey, you will need to choose the type of program you want to offer. Kajabi gives you flexibility here. You can choose a single session, which is perfect for standalone coaching calls, or opt for a package, which is a great choice if you intend to offer multiple sessions bundled together. Pick the one that best suits your coaching style and client needs. Now let's move on to giving your program its unique identity. You'll be asked to provide the program's title, and you also have the option to add a coach name, which can add a personal touch. Be sure also to include a well-crafted description of what your program entails. This is crucial because it's the first touch point for potential clients to understand the value you bring. The next decision revolves around scheduling. Kajabi offers its own scheduling system, but you also have the option to integrate an external tool like Calendly if you already have a preferred scheduling workflow. After settling on your scheduling preferences, it's time to make your program visually appealing by customizing its appearance. You can select primary and accent colors to brand your coaching program page. This personal touch helps align your program with your overall brand identity, reinforcing consistency and professionalism. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a coaching program set up on Kajabi, ready for your audience. Remember, the key is to take each step with care, tailoring the experience to best fit your coaching brand. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.